My boss makes $1 while I make a dime. That's why I scan coupons on company time. And it's addictive. I might have a problem.
I'm broke, nigga, I'm broke!
It's Ryan here from Silly Reviews, always hustling to make a buck. I want to let you guys know about my little side hustle here that I've been doing really easily using a few apps, a few receipt scanning apps. I'm using 3 of them. We've got Receipt Hog, we've got Fetch Rewards, we've also got iBotta. They all work a little bit differently. I'm going to tell you my favorite from ranking 1 to ranking 3 and how we're turning receipts into cash. Well, sort of cash. We're turning them into gift cards for like Walmart, for Amazon, eBay, things like that. So let's get down to the nitty gritty. Please, links are in the description and the pinned comment. Download these apps using my links. Please help old Ryan out. I get a little referral. You get some bonus points towards cashing in, okay? Here we go. Most favorite, Fetch Rewards. This one's easy. It gives you bonus points for certain items. So maybe Nabisco or Doritos or Coca-Cola or Pepsi might earn you more than just a basic scan, which right now is 25 points. When you get to 6,000 points, you can get a $5 Walmart gift card. That's what I use. There's all types of different rewards, but on Fetch, it's cool because not only are you getting points just for scanning receipts, but you're also getting bonus points based on the items, the products, the brand names that they're pushing. Pretty exciting, okay? Next up, my second favorite is gonna have to be iBotta. Now, iBotta gives you rewards. They don't give you money for scanning receipts. You don't just get a flat 5, 25, 50 points for scanning receipts. You have to go through, see what they're promoting, make your shopping list based off of that, or just find receipts that have those items on there, okay? Lots of good money makers and break-even deals on there. Let's say if they have Nabisco where you get $3 or the equivalent of $3 of points back for getting any Nabisco product. Well, if you can find $1.50 box of Nabisco products, you get the equivalent of $3 back. Yeah, that's a win-win, but it does take more time, but the rewards can be super hot. Finally up here, since I've already got the receipts out, I'm already scanning, I go with the Receipt Hog. It's a fun little app, simple to use. You only get points, coins for spins, a little slot machine for bonus points and stuff with Receipt Hog. It takes a long time, but eventually you can cash out. And hey, you're already scanning receipts here. You've got your receipts. Why throw them in the trash when you can just start scanning them really quickly in Receipt Hog? And you can see here, I'm level 10 already. I've already cashed out multiple times. I've got coins already lined up. Again, my links, my little referral links, use those to download the apps on your iPhone, your Android device, your iOS device. It'll help me out. They're in the comments. They're in the pinned comment and description, okay? So it's easy enough. You can walk through it. Register. I would highly recommend registering with really close to accurate information or stuff that you can remember, because sometimes you'll need to verify like on your first cash out. And one time I didn't put the correct address in, and that led to me having to email customer service and verify all kinds of different things, my favorite stores, what were my recent receipts from, to get the address actually changed. I haven't noticed spam phone calls to my real phone number or anything, so, you know, all your information is out there anyway. You might as well get paid for it. Seriously, the government's watching, marketing is watching, big business is watching. Why don't you get something back for it? And this is how we do it. And you turn it into straight cash, or the equivalent of. I've had money sent from Receipt Hog straight to PayPal. I get Walmart receipts, Walmart gift cards all the time, which I actually use at the Murphy gas station at Walmart. It's free gas, easy to do. And like I said in the beginning, when the boss made $1 and I made a dime, scan those receipts on company time. You went from making $15 an hour to $19 an hour. Do you see how this works? And hey, you should not do this. Do not do this. Again, I advise, do not do this. This is what I've heard some people do. They go around to fast food restaurants, grocery stores, Dollar Tree, Walgreens, drugstores, and they find receipts on the ground because people are filthy litter bugs. Yeah, I've heard people do that, but I believe that's against the terms of service. Don't do that. Don't go picking up receipts off the ground, scanning them and getting rewards for them. You shouldn't do that, okay? I said that. Are we clear? Yeah. Anyway, so that's it. Use my links in the description or in the pinned comment. Start racking up some extra money. Give yourself a raise. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thank you for watching. By the time '09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate.